because that looks really good. I'm gonna be tasting it. Actually, it's tasting now for the first time. Let's get a little rice, a little bit of the soups. Little kick. That's good. I think a little bit more miso. Actually, that's pretty good. I think I like it the way it is. It's pretty good. There's our mesh out there. But we just got that propane tank put in. I gotta put the lid on it. It's raining outside, but it's okay. And some pots. The trench is still got this. The trench is still got to be. The dirt's got to be put back in, filled in. But most of it's all done. The trench was right there, but now it's all filled in. So we got a little bit more to do. But that's our view of the woods. And we have these microgreens that we grow in the wintertime, since we want to have a garden in the winter for now. So we grow this. Put that in the soup. A little bit more. You hear the cold raindrops on the leaves. And even if a little bit of raindrops get it in my tea, it's okay, I'll drink it pretty quick. It won't hurt me. This damp air and how it feels against my skin is so refreshing. There's not fog. I don't know how high, I can't tell how high the clouds are. So the smell in the forest is like obviously wet wood, but it has this crispness to it. And I had that video I uploaded, my last video, talk about how the trees turn color, the cedar trees turn color in the rain. Well, you can kind of see what I mean here. How that dark maroon color pops through. And it's not really maroon, it's just this beautiful red color. I just love it. When everything gets wet, the forest changes. And I just love these trees, how the moss grows. There's no sounds except I can hear little birds, the raindrops. No people. This rain just feels cleansing and just makes me want to sit down after I just listen to everything in quiet. So I don't have to listen to myself talk. But after I make this video, I'll probably do that. So right now I am wearing my umbrella on my head, and then this is a Columbia. It's a really nice piece. I was wearing my first video. I was wearing this underneath part. That's one little road we have on the adjacent to the property. But this is it's a two-part So when you put the inside part in, it becomes one piece. So you only have two jackets. You have an underlayer and then this layer, and then combined is the third, right? The third jacket. That's how Columbia put it. But they don't think they make this anymore. They might make something similar, but I'm not much on, you know, I don't keep up with all the latest gear, but yeah, if you ever go walk into the woods, bring some hot tea or something hot that you like to drink. It's comforting. It just kind of helps connect to living simple, just taking some time to de-stress. And even this short little walk, you know, in the rain, it just really connects me back. Reconnects me, I should say. And I think, was that something that just fell down here? Sometimes we have these little tree frogs in here. I don't think that was one of them. But I just want to find this moment and just be grateful. When I go back inside, I'm going to open up a window for a little bit when I'm sitting down at my desk and just listen to the rain as I work. I got to file some papers. Little mushroom. All right, well, welcome to my little tool shed. It's a very narrow shed I built because in California, the square footage has to be within a certain amount before you have to get a permit. So this shed is small enough so that it fits within those requirements. But instead of making a box, I made a long, narrow shed. But it's just enough, it's plenty enough to walk through and then have some shelving on either end. But that'll be a video for another time. And it's still a little bit of a work in progress. So the last video and this video, when I did the night hike video and this video, I talked a little bit about how I like to reconnect through nature and de-stress, and I recommend it for everyone. Can't recommend it enough to take some time, as much time in a routine that's reasonable for you. I don't know what that would look like, but I'm going to talk a little bit more about that on the next video. So I hope to see you there.